Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and we are here today for the Friendship and Love Hop. These are all the wonderful ladies that are in this hop. We have a total of 10 people, including myself. Please make sure that you go ahead and check out their links below. I will list all of these wonderful ladies down below so that you can go ahead and hop along and check out what they've created. For this week, we're going to be doing tassels and or keychains. Every week we're going to be having a different project. As you guys know, I've had a lot of fun, doing these hops and also participating and creating in them. It gives us an awesome opportunity to do something that sometimes is a little bit, out of the norm, or things that we don't normally create on a regular basis. And this has been super fun for me to do. And here are a group of wonderful, very talented crafters that we've gathered for this, friendship and love hop. So I've created a keychain for this one, and I'm gonna show you the keychain that I created, and I hope you guys like it. So this is the keychain that I created, and I got my little keychain clip here. So pretty much to start off at the top, I've created this beautiful rose. Now I didn't make the rose. It's one of those bead roses that you kind of feed through the wire. And to create the stem, I added some glass beads in green, and I also found in my stash some little leaves, some little glass leaves. So that pretty much put the whole thing together. And I decided to make this like the part that actually connects to where my clasp is at. And then my idea was kind of like, when you pull a flower out of the ground and it's got all the roots and everything still attached. So that's kind of where I went with this. So these are supposed to represent like the roots for the flower. As in friendship, as in love, flowers are something that is normally, gifted to us via friends or, via significant others, so on and so forth. So flowers are synonymous when it comes to love and friendship, at least in my eyes. So pretty much what I've done with this is I've added different glass beads. And everything here more or less has a little bit of a meaning to a certain extent. Let me start off with this one. This is an altered glass heart. And I don't know if you guys, well, you probably have seen, those little glass pieces that they're called like milli something, where they put like a whole bunch of little colors in the inside. Well, that's kind of what this glass heart had inside. It had like 3 little bursts of different color glass, which I didn't care for so much. So I went ahead and painted that with some Dazzling Metallic by Deco Art. And then I added a gear on top of it, and then a little diamond, a little rhinestone on top of the gear. And pretty much this symbolizes that everything, especially when it comes to love and friends, needs work. Everything kind of works together, right? So this is pretty much what this represented to me is, your energy and the energy that you put in making things work when it comes to love and friendships. And so just to give you a little zoom in of that, that's what that kind of looks like. And let me show you real quick what my little rose here looks like, and I call her Rosita. So I added some heart charms, and I added some beads, light green, like a candy green, and then like a like a lime kind of green, and then I added some pink, and then also some of the green ones that I used here, and I had them in pink as well. So I added some of that. Let me see if I can find something that'll help me to show you a little bit better. Maybe it'll look good against this white. It'll make some of the colors stand out a little bit more. So here I have a little, angel wings with hearts, because, when you have somebody that loves you, that's like the wind beneath your wings. They can help you soar with their encouragement, with their love and their support. So I added that. I also added some little flowers here with little, kind of like their own little stem, but these are flowers to be, from planting seeds of love, if you will. I added a little key here because, it's opening a door, right? some more of those beads. Here's some more of those flower beads, the flower with the little green beads on it. I also included 2 dice. And the reason why I included 2 dice is because, you know, it's always a gamble. It's always a gamble. It's a roll of the dice. Sometimes you get lucky and sometimes, unfortunately, we crap out. It happens. So I added 2 dice in there so to symbolize that. And again, you know, with the wings and the heart and the little pink beads. And I got a little owl key here because you have to be wise in your choices. And so things to do with all of that. Then I added this little handmade with love charm. And that's pretty much what I did for this one. I was going to go ahead and make a tassel, but I found myself running short on time. And this is pretty much what I came out with. And I hope that you guys like it. I absolutely love it. And I love more than anything what it represents, at least to me. So this is my project for this week's friendship and love hop. And again, here's the list of all the wonderful ladies that are on here. I'm going to leave a link to all of their channels down below. And make sure that you are subscribed. If you're not, that would be awesome. If you know, make sure that you, sorry, I'm having like a blonde moment. Make sure that you comment down below and that you like this video. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this hop, as I've done with all of the previous hops. So just be aware that in order to participate in the winning of any prizes that I might offer at the end of this hop, you have to be subscribed, you have to comment, and you have to like the video. You must be a visible subscriber, and I must be able to see that you have liked the video, or you can at least show me that you've liked the video, because you might, you know, if you end up winning, I might ask you to either send me a picture or something just in case it's not visible to others. So with that being said, this is what I created. Stay tuned because I'm also going to be doing the drawing for the other 2 tassels that I made last weekend. I have them right here. So no, you did not miss that video, just in case. I've just had a lot of things going on this week and I haven't had a chance to announce the winner for those. So I will be creating a video for that sometime later on today, where I'm going to be announcing who the winners are for those 2 charms, those 2 chunky charms that I created. But I absolutely love this. I hope that you guys like it as well. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for participating. I want to say thank you to all the awesome ladies that are in this hop. Thank you so much for your time, your dedication, and just everything overall. So with that being said, goodbye, you guys. Make sure you hop along to the next one. Bye.